Hello guys, today we're going to create bot Python for liking posts by hashtag on Instagram. And also we deploy this bot on Heroku. So let's start. I'm gonna use Instagram API Python. Check it out, the link in the description. Let's create new project on PyCharm. I create new Python file. Then you need install Instagram API via pip. You should write command in terminal on PyCharm. And we are ready to write our bot. So you need to import Instagram API. Then you should write your actual login and password that you used for your Instagram. Then we call login method, and I write while true because get hashtag feed return may be 80 posts from Instagram, and that's not enough for me. When we call get hashtag feed, we get JSON format text, and it contains information that we need. Then I create requirement text file. It's necessary for Heroku. In this file, you should write all dependencies that you use on your project. So here I'm using only Instagram API. So I write here Instagram API. Then I create a proc file. It's just file without any extension. So these files also need for Heroku for run your commands. You use proc file to tell Heroku how to run various pieces of your app. So I write command for run my bot. Then I create .gitignore file for ignore some path that I don't want to be committed on my GitHub. So then I create new repository on my GitHub. I make it private. So that we need write all commands in our terminal. After that, all our files will be on the GitHub. Then I create a new app on Heroku. So you need to connect GitHub to your Heroku account. And then when you click on the search button, you will see all the project names that you have on your GitHub. Then we connect and you can deploy. So if you see that everything is okay, you should click on the resources. You need to click on pen button and you need to turn on dynos, which run our bots. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and bye.